Hey folks, it's Volodya from Python, and today we will talk not about the 7 actually about this too, because right now it's the shocking news for the entire artificial intelligence community, yeah, and it's yet another proof that big tech is not reliable. We could not put all the eggs to the one basket, and so we need all to have a plan B. That's why I prefer some community-driven, open source, open standard, open protocol and protocol-based solutions. Because we simply could not believe on something that are black boxed and owned by the people that just doing the business. But that's my personal opinion. And today we will talk about the sovereignty, as usual. No, it's my mission for the couple of years, and the sovereign data and sovereign you. And what I see that right now, it's a lot of posts, and it's a lot of thoughts provoked by the OpenAI scandal that we need the decentralization for the OpenAI, we need more decentralized solutions, we need more alternatives. I completely agree with this idea, but I have a feeling that people mix the terms, because decentralization is just implementation detail. On the practice, we don't need a decentralized solution, and we need the sovereign solutions. And what the difference between the decentralized solutions and sovereign solutions? That in a decentralized architecture, you don't have one single point of failure, one decision maker, and we all was completely shifted in some point when we get the first Bitcoin paper, and then we get the blockchains. But together with the blockchains, we inherited a lot of ideas that actually was too transaction specific. So on the decentralization, I don't mean the blockchains, and blockchains, it's the subset of the decentralized solutions. On the decentralized solution, we don't mean the global state, and we don't mean the global consensus. So it's a huge problem. So you could have the decentralized applications that do not require the global consensus, that you could have the decentralized solutions that maybe do not require to have all the data public and all other things. But on practice, what we need is the sovereignty and sovereign data, that you have the access to your data, you own them, you own not just data, but you own all the tools to do the operations on this data, and it's failed to the bucket of the alternatives to the artificial intelligence solutions. So we're talking about not just the persistent layer, because this part is covered by the GPT folks and the decentralized web nodes and all those things. We're not talking about the incentives of hosting all this infrastructure. It's a separate topic for the separate video. But together with the persistent and data layer that give you the possibility to manage your data and give the access to your data to other people and to other systems, you actually need something that allows you to run the operations and to do the computation. And for sure, you need the possibility to have the access to the artificial intelligence and all those things. And it's the sovereignty, and it's not always decentralized, because decentralization is the implementation detail. Yeah, for sure, it's super cool if you could co-host everything, could have your own piece of infrastructure, or could own the different building blocks and make yourself independent and autonomous. Yeah, it's the big dream, but we should be realistic that for some tasks like the artificial intelligence, you require the enormous amount of the computation power, and not just computation power, because this we could achieve with the edge computing, fog computing, and all those things. You quite specific hardware. And right now, we're not capable to run personalized models on your phone. But I believe that it's a near future that will allow us to do so. But right now, you see, it's the big blocker actually, because to run something comparably powerful as the GPT-4, you need the GPU units, you need quite powerful machines. But the good news that maybe for your tasks and for some specific areas, you don't need such huge generalized models. Maybe you need much simpler, more specific models that could give you much better results on the high quality data. And it's the roads to the sovereign. So when we're talking about what we really need, we need a sovereign compute, we need the sovereign data, and we need the infrastructure for the autonomous agents that could communicate with each other. And this field is fairly new. Self-sovereign identities exist for a while, and we moving forward. Right now we have quite good infrastructure pieces like the TVNs that we use in our projects, but we need to work on the next step. So we need to work on the sovereign compute and the possibility not just own the data, but own the processing units, or the possibility to have the open network of these processing units and interchangeable artificial intelligence agents, that you not rely on one single company and sell off this company and all this madness around, because the sovereignty, it's not about decentralization, it's more about choice, that you have free choice of taking your platforms, technologies, managing your data, and all of those things. And for this, you need an ecosystem. And that's it. You don't need the decentralization. You simply, as a user, not benefit from the decentralization. You benefit from the sovereignty. And it was my main message for today. Stay tuned. We're quite close to something cool and new for a lot of people. So we're working on the beta of our product. So I guess that it will be some positive news in this space. If you're interested in sovereign data, just let me know. Drop me the message. I'm everywhere on YouTube for sure, on Medium, on the Nostr platforms, and different other decentralized medias. So I will be happy to have a chat with you. See you. Cheers.